Hello guys, today I want to take a look at my mini baby. I finally got my order here from Amazon. It took forever, but I got it here. You can just keep checking. These were 2 capsules for $15.99, so you're basically paying about $7.99 for each capsule, which is a really good deal. So I'm just gonna open it up so we can see what we get. Yeah, so let's just open this up. I'm really excited to see what we get. And please forgive my nails. I'm gonna be doing them later on. Oh, I think I got another stroller. Here is the collector's guide. So I did in fact get the stroller, which is unfortunate since that is a double. That's not hard to put together. And then it's all put together. Again, we do get a birth certificate, the swaddle and the cap, and here is the baby. So even though I got doubles, I love the fact that I have twins now. They are adorable. So let's open our last ball here. It's yellow, so it's not a double. So this time I got a bouncer. You do get a birth certificate. A little teething ring, which is so cute. So here are the instructions to the bouncer. It's relatively simple. So you just pop these on like this. Pretty simple. And then this thing goes here. Feels like silicone. So here it is all put together. And let's take a look at the baby. It's the baby. I'm gonna need this. Here's the baby in the diaper. So here is the baby in the rocker, and it's so adorable and cute. And I just love these little My Mini babies. They're so squishy, and their bodies are really soft to the touch. I think these are really, really great for our dolls. I want to make me a baby book using the collector's guide. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut out pictures from the collector's guide. So I cut out some 1-inch squares from recycled cardboard or cardstock, I should say, from packaging. And then I'm just going to trace like an image that I want and then glue it on here and then go from there. So let's just do it. So what you're gonna do is, I'm going to select pictures that I want, and since it's gonna be on a book, I'm going to trace it on here. Just trim it up. So here is the mini book that we made, and it came out super duper cute. Now I'm going to open up these perfectly cutie babies here. I know they're going to be overscale, but I did like the accessories that come in here to add to our little collection here, and I believe like the aesthetic will match what I have going on now since it's pastels. So I'm gonna open these up. They were buy one get one 50% off at Target, so I got 2. So let's just do it. Oh yay! And I got this crib, which is really cool. The baby is humongous. Like, this is not gonna fit a Barbie scale. Like, absolutely no, it's not. It's really squishy. We get a bottle, and then we also get a crib toy, so that's really cute. thought it would have had some instructions, but it doesn't. But I guess they like you could figure it out. It's not that hard. So yeah, this probably go here. All right, so here is the crib, and it has a molded pillow, and here is the baby in the crib. So it is, you know, this baby is definite. Oh, it has some articulation. It moves at the head, the arms, and the legs. But yeah, this baby is definitely bigger than our scale here. I'm gonna put this off to the side because I'm gonna use this for my mini baby, definitely. But yeah, so we get some cute little accessories. I do like that. So I'm gonna open the other one here. Hopefully it's not a duplicate. Oh, and it is. It's a duplicate. It's a different baby. This time we get a baby with one ponytail here, and you get a little dinosaur and a sippy cup, which the sippy cup is really big along with this bottle. All right, so we have this together now. So we have our cribs, and now what I want to do is I'm gonna take one of the twins. I am going to cut a little opening in the mouth part so the baby can take a bottle. So I do have to focus. And it worked. Now the baby can take a bottle. Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. Do take care when you're slicing open the babies. The babies are soft, so you can damage your dolls. So this is just adorable. Like, yeah. And then it comes right out. Like, okay, this is so freaking cute. Thank you for joining me today as I reviewed some more of my mini babies. I finally got my order and I was happy to review them. And although I did get me twins, I was happy to get the baby in the rocker. And also looking at the Perfectly Cute Babies by Jakks Pacific. That was really cool to open up because they had some wonderful accessories. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring the bell. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.